Well, it looks like Samsung is finally listening. Finally. Another year, another fold. Am I excited? I don't know. Let's have a quick look. Same old Samsung box. And first impressions, it looks nice. It looks nice. Very light, very slim. But guys, I've been here before. You know, I've been spoilt by the Chinese brands, so this is nothing new. In fact, I'm kind of annoyed it took so long for Samsung to do this, but yeah, it looks good. It looks good. And of course, the unboxing experience from Samsung, as usual, is well, we've been here before. Yeah, you can tell by my voice I'm not that excited, but I'm gonna try and give the Fold a chance. I'm gonna give the Fold 7 a chance. You know, I think it's because I know it has such a small battery. Battery life for me is number one. This is probably why I'm just not excited, because I'm gonna have to baby this phone. But yeah, like I said, I'll give it a chance, and yeah, let's see what happens. It looks good, and as you can see, it wobbles a lot on the table. But yeah, I wouldn't be me without my OCD, and I have to protect the phone at every angle. But this year, I'm not going to go for the inner screen protector. I'm just going to go for the outside screen protector, a case, and let's see what happens. And as usual, I'm going to be using Spigen, whichever way you want to pronounce it. Yeah, this feels good. It's definitely going to make the phone a lot more bulky though. I can feel that straight away. And there's this new hinge mechanism. I've never seen that before. And some extra stickers there. The usual squeegee. And a pad to put the phone on to stop it rocking. Really needed this year, because this phone is rocking all over the place. And it comes with 2 screen protectors. Not bad at all. Alright, here we go. Let's clean this thing. I'm going to use the alcohol wipe. You can never clean these things too much, because one speck of dust and it's all over. And there's a microfiber cloth. And if you see how long I use this dust remover, you know I need help. And we're going to make sure the top is pointing to the top of the phone. And then one more dab with that dust collector. On the screen goes, and you just pull the tab just like that. Really easy, very easy. I remember the days I used to struggle putting on that screen protector, having it, making sure it was in the perfect place. Now you don't need to worry. And we're going to lift that off slowly. And yeah, it's in the perfect position. It's almost a perfect install. going to squeeze out these bubbles, and look at that. That is the perfect installation. Now you can see why I spend so much time with that dust sticker, because one piece of dust, that's it. Yeah, and that's come out pretty good. Now let's put on this case. And it's a really snug fit. That's good. That's good. Take some force to put that on, actually. I like that. I like it. And immediately you can feel the bulk. It's added quite a bit of bulk and weight. Let's do that first fold with the case on. Yeah, that's noticeably thicker. It has lost a lot of its slim form factor, but yeah, I can't be rocking this phone naked. It has to be in a case. And I think it's turned out pretty well, but as I said, it may not look it on the camera, but it has increased that thickness quite a bit, and the weight also. But I think it's worth it, you know, for the protection. And that was just a quick video of the Spigen screen protector and case for the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7. Thanks for watching, and I'll see how this case goes, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be reviewing the phone very soon.